Stuttgart Dedicated Server Provider, by TheServerHost. Stuttgart is well known for its scenic beauty, modern lifestyle, and world-class shopping malls. The city has been identified as a leading manufacturing center. Mercedes-Benz and Porsche have major headquarters and many museums in this city. The vibrant city is full of greenspace, which encompass its core. If you love animals, then you must not miss out on the Stuttgart Zoo. When choosing Stuttgart Dedicated Servers, what are the important features you need? There are plenty of features that you will find valuable. But before delving into those features, you need to understand your needs first. It is also important to choose a server with reliable hosting provider. In choosing dedicated server hosting services, there are some important considerations to be made. TheServerHost Stuttgart Dedicated Server Managed Services List. Root access. With Stuttgart Dedicated Servers, the customer gets root access, which is very essential in today's competitive business world. The root access allows the administrator to make changes to the configured settings. With the help of the root access, you can fix, disable or enable the security features of the server. Moreover, you can also make changes to the software such as the anti-spyware, the firewalls as well as the email programs. High uptime. The most beneficial part of a Stuttgart Dedicated Server is that it comes with a guaranteed 99% uptime. Flexible. The main advantage of dedicated hosting is that it offers greater flexibility and reliability. You can install and configure any operating system you want on your server. You also have root or administrative rights to manage and administer your server. Money-back guarantee. Many dedicated servers have a 30-day money-back guarantee. This money-back guarantee can be a valuable tool in helping you make a well-informed decision. Server management. One of the major benefits of choosing a Stuttgart Dedicated Server is that you do not have to take care of administrative tasks, such as security updates, monitoring, maintenance, or troubleshooting. This means that if your site experiences any downtime, such as being unavailable for a business, you do not have to worry about any potential downtime. Instead, the server host will take care of all aspects of server. You will be able to focus on your product and getting it out there in front of people who want it. Tools. If you have a small business, you will definitely want to make sure that you find a hosting provider that offers the types of tools necessary to maintain the functionality of your site. For example, if you are running an e-commerce site, you will probably need to have some sort of an e-commerce platform installed along with the ability to host shopping carts and accept credit cards. By having the right amount of bandwidth and storage capacity, you will ensure that your site performs at its maximum potential all the time, allowing you to receive the most benefit from your Stuttgart Dedicated Server. Security. With managed Stuttgart Dedicated Servers, your service provider will be responsible for the security of your server. For this reason, it is important to make sure that your hosting provider has the resources to keep your system running smoothly. This way, you are less likely to experience security threats and hackers, resulting in fewer problems and downtime for your website. Total control. There are a few main reasons why you should prefer Stuttgart Managed Dedicated Servers. The first major advantage is the high degree of control you will have over your system. You will be able to install your own software and customize it to meet your specific business needs. You can create your own DNS entries and you can install and deactivate application components as needed. If you have a lot of information or data that is vital to the operation of your company, you may prefer to use a managed hosting provider so that you have greater control over the maintenance and operations of your server. Other features. DDoS attacks. 24-hour customer service. SSL certificate required. Unlimited virtual servers. In addition to network quality, your web hosting provider should be able to offer you excellent disk space, memory, bandwidth, and any type of technical support you may need. Dedicated servers are generally more expensive than shared servers, but this expense is well worth it for the benefits you receive. When it comes to improving the overall performance of your website, this is one of the most important factors. Overall, a Stuttgart Dedicated Server is an excellent choice for enhancing your business and its potential downtime hosting server resources. Your business will enjoy the increased functionality and flexibility that come with managed dedicated servers. You also will experience significant improvements to your network quality and operational stability. These benefits will ensure that you enjoy cost savings and increased profits while effectively managing your network resources. However, with these benefits, you will need to ensure that you select a dedicated server provider that will support and maintain your dedicated server effectively and in tune with your business needs. For more info, visit TheServerHost or click link mentioned in description.